First, you pull the power cable from the base of the pilot. This can be found on the bottom right side of the base. Next, you will connect your HoverCast to your center stage. You will plug in the HDMI cable, then the USB touch cable, then your AC adapter cable. After that, you will mount your HoverCast to your center stage. You will tighten the screw until the HoverCast is firmly mounted. Then you will press the power button to power on. To power on your pilot, press the power button found on the right side of your device. Once powered on, rotate your wireless HDMI antenna to face your HoverCast. The HDMI button on your HoverCast will flash while it connects. Once the HDMI button stops flashing and remains solid, your HoverCast will now be connected to your pilot. Next, power on the center stage. To make sure sound is being produced through your center stage, go into Settings, select Bluetooth and other devices, select Sound, then select whichever size monitor your pilot is connected to. For our video, we are connected to an 86 monitor. Finally, select Apply and OK. Your pilot will now produce sound through your center stage. Next, to test video and sound, open the browser. Go to your preferred video watching site, such as YouTube, and search for a video. Press play and your sound and video should stream from the pilot to the center stage seamlessly.